Hey, how's it going, everybody? It's the Undertaker Collection Show, and I'm your host, Air Dan Airways, Dan the Man. And today we have a special Undertaker item that we're looking at. Well, it's not a special item, it's just these WWE Raging Racer monster trucks. Not even monster trucks, they're 16 wheelers. And their working hauler door holds 3 vehicles. Oh, that's pretty cool. I didn't even know that. So you can put 3 cars in there. And, yep, it just says that multiple times. And it looks like they had a Undertaker one, a John Cena, and a CM Punk. Whoever got this for me paid $15.97. I think Natalie might have found this. Natalie is my sister-in-law, Jose's wife, my brother Jose. And if we turn this around on the back, it does look like the other 3 were John Cena and CM Punk. Semi-trucks. These are made by oh man. Oh. I am not gonna say that. Yep, not gonna say it. These are WWE Raging Racers made by, and there was three of them made by. And if you have questions, you can call their customer service here at this number. Yeah, these are actually really cool. I like them. I like this Undertaker Raging Racers made by, for ages 8 and up. And it is dusty because my collection is dusty. Because I'm dusty. No, I'm just kidding. Alright. Thank you very much for checking out this video. We will see you around town.